Gold and silver so far for the day respected the technicals beautifully. We have discussed why 22.96.98 on the downside for gold and on the upside 23.06.010 23.10 zone is going to be a critical resistance. Beautifully it has stayed within the zone, and likewise with silver it was a no trade between 26.80 to 26.50. So far both have respected the levels. So now what to expect, as the metals are also waiting for the NFP data to take a direction, and which direction it is going to be, how we are going to profit with that, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the twice a day updates. This is the second update for the day. First update I have released with the Asia and Europe session. You can also join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Before leaving the video, friends, at least press the like button. That is a great support and motivation from you all, and if you can share and a comment across, that is also an inspiration for me. Let's start. First gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. And yes, tomorrow I am going to release my monthly outlook for the month of May for gold and silver. Do not miss to watch. Now see, on the hourly charts we can find out the box here. You can see gold has been trading in this box. It has to come out of this box, and if you look at, this is coming after a series of bearish candle, then a bigger bullish candle, and then the sideways flag formation. So it is staying in the box. In general, it takes the direction of this candle. The next candle, when it appears, maybe with the data, it takes this direction. So right now it is not showing any such indication, but at the same time it is not dropping as well. This is also a good indication. If you look at the nearest time frame, you will find couple of bullish candles, then bigger bearish candles, retracement. See, retracement candles are very small, and the fall was little bigger. So now if the second candle appears which takes the prices below 22.96 levels, you can sell there at 22.96, but then also we have to wait for 22.92.90 as the first support level, and then 22.84.85 as the next. Only and only if gold is seen trading below 22.84.85, we should be treating that as bearish, and below 22.84.85, see, it has been trading in this bearish channel. The bottom of the channel is now far below, so below 22.84.85 levels at least. Just wait for the double bottom levels to be breached, that is at 22.82, and then below that more bearishness may prevail. But what I will be looking forward to, as I have shared here, this bullish candle sideways movement, the breakout can be stronger, and where you could buy, if you see again, see 23.06 levels, you can buy. Wait for it to break beyond 23.10, and if you see prices staying above 23.10, we can expect it to rally strongly. Now see, stochastic here at bottom, the MACD is slightly bearish here. It is trying to take a bearish shape here. RSI is flat coming to 2. Likewise on the 2-hour chart, see, you can see red green sideways movement here. It is right now skewed slightly on the downside, but if you look at last 3 candles here, you can see after the drop it has been trading in this retracement channel. It has to break now beyond 23.06 and 23.10 zone in order to confirm further rise. Right now it appears slightly down, but a breakout is going to be equally strong. As I have shared, after this rise, this is a bearish formation, and a breakout can take this bullish formation, where in fact it can move towards 23, 26, 28. Chances for which, see, these are market, though anything is possible. The stochastic at oversold levels, MACD is trading with slight bearishness, RSI almost staying flat, coming to 3. On the 3-hour charts, one important observation is the preceding candle, which is a doji candle, and higher lows are already done. With the higher lows, it is trying to bounce back, and as I said, if you see, it is staying above 23.06 and 23.10-12 zone. Just stay bullish. We are looking forward to a very strong rise if it continues to stay bullish from the current levels. Next thing is, if you observe on the 3-hour charts, you will find it is delivering lower highs and higher lows, trying to consolidate. See, this was the lows which we have seen the day before, yesterday, and where we have seen it moving towards 22.82. Then yesterday it was 22.85. Now even if it tries to drop, I think 22.90, 22.85 is going to be critical support zone. Prices might bounce back, forming the double bottom here at 22.85. Also we can see a recovery, remember this fact. And on the upside, as we have seen here, it has to break beyond 23.10. Stochastic coming to oversold levels. MACD is in green, and see, this is important on MACD. After the sharp drop, this is the main trend, this is retracement, and again it is trying to take the shape of this trend, which is bullish. So let's see if it continues on the upside. RSI has been trading flat, coming to 4. See, on the 4-hour chart, series of bearish candles here. Also if you see this candle and this candle, you will find there is a downward push here. But I can see the candle, preceding candle closing at the highs here in green, and the current candle trying to start on the upside, start on a bullish note. Very, very important for it to break beyond 2306 and 10 zone, beyond which we can say that it is going to take a bullish shape. And then see beyond 2310 12 levels, we will look forward to 2320, 2326, 28. Any point of time gold is staying beyond 2326, 28 should be considered as a reversal, else it is still not to be treated bullish. Stochastic is bearish here, looking downwards right now. If you look at the MACD, this is also, it is converged, but it is not yet crossed over. It has to deliver a couple of stronger red candles in order to confirm a crossover and a sell. RSI is flat coming to. Now, before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 31st mentorship batch starting coming Monday. Do register for it now. We are going to teach and share all the tools, techniques, strategies, and the trade setups which can help you identify the profitable trades and help you trade profitably. Do not miss to join this learning journey and cherish the learning for life. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. So write an email or ping me on Telegram for your queries related to the services. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers a swap-free account and where you can save much of your capital by having lowest spreads, you can find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. It is a regulated broker which is available across the globe. You can join with the link and you'll get the lowest spreads on offer. Now coming to the daily. See, firstly on the daily charts, you can see it has formed a wick on the upside and it is moving downwards. It appears there could be a second red candle in making, and this candle could be bigger. But as I see in the preceding few candles, you can find higher lows are observed. Thus, I will not be considering this as bearish as long as see these candles, none of these candles closed below 22, 80, 90 zone, and thus this zone is going to remain critical, and any drop below this zone is where you should treat gold as bearish. So it has to break first 2290 levels, 2288, 2284, 85, and then 2282, the preceding low. So these three levels if it takes, then you can say we are looking forward to a stronger slide which can take the prices towards 2265 and in fact 2240 levels. If you look at the formation, what has happened here on the daily chart, the drop here, the retracement, it has taken a shape, but I can see it is more of consolidation. So direction it is going to take today is going to remain the direction, and it is going to be a stronger one as well. So because this is the break, and the breakouts are generally going to remain strong. So for I do see gold trading in a zone. Thus, only selling entry I will recommend now is at 2296.95 levels, where you can expect it to move towards 2291.88 zone, first target zone, 2284.85 the next, and then 2282. If these three levels are taken, 80-82 levels, if these three levels are taken, you can say now the bears will take over and there could be stronger fall, taking it till towards the first target at 2271.5, and then below that 2265.64. If it draws below 2264.65, there could be sharper bearishness. I personally expect a bounce back, but it is not showing any such signs, so do not go as per my expectation. I will be looking forward to a rise. If it breaks beyond 2306, I will recommend you to buy. Wait for it to break beyond 2310, and if you see gold is staying beyond 2310, just stay bullish. We are looking forward to a very strong rise here. The first target is going to be towards 2320 levels, and then 23, 25, 26, or rather I will say 23, 26, 28. And a breakout beyond 23, 26, 28 is where the reversal will be confirmed. But right now it is not showing any bullish signs here, so take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. This silver, if you silver on the early chart, see after the drop it is retraced and now taking a shape on the downside. But if silver has got a very good support now at 2640.35 zone, which is going to be the next support zone, though we have seen it breaking yesterday, and now today again forming lower highs. It is trying to reverse here 20 and getting the resistance at 2680. It is trying to reverse and break. Now see, if you see it is staying below 2635 levels, you can take a sell entry, but wait for 2620 and $26 levels forming double bottom. Also we can expect a bounce back. Right now the move appears to be slightly bearish, as you can see this trying to break out. Moving average is also crossing over, and thus it appears a buying entry can be taken only about 2660 and then about 2680. These two levels if silver breaks, then only we should treat this as bullish, as it is right now having a downward push here. You can see second bearish candle in making, and this appears to be slightly increasingly bearish here. We have to wait. I will still say the support level here at 2640 and 35 is going to be a stronger one. As long as 2640 35 levels are respected, do not treat silver as bearish. Only selling entries below 2635. Stochastic is oversold here. MACD has taken a crossover here and it is trading with divergence. It is staying bearish. RSI is also looking downwards. Coming to 2 hour. Also on the 2 hour chart, see lower lows are breached here. Lower highs, if you look at 2660, is the only level beyond which we can expect silver to trade bullish. And see, it has taken a shape, does not mean that it is going to stay in this. It can reverse as well, and a reversal confirmation is only and only if you see staying beyond 2660. Stochastic oversold. MACD trying to cross over for a sell. It has not yet crossed over. RSI is staying flat. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3 hour charts also, if you look at it, has formed lower lows and it can show a recovery here. But right now, again, as I said, it is not showing any such signs. See, first bearish candle, second step candle, and third, if it breaks below 2640 and 35, that is going to bring stronger bearishness here. It can give you a stronger bearish candle here. Right now, it is trying to confine its movement between the support levels here. It is going to be a good support zone here in between 2635 45. Thus, we have to be stochastic hitting the bottom. MACD is trying to converge. It is right now still a bullish, and RSI rising. Coming to 4 hour charts, the observation is similar. See, increasingly bearish candle. Flat top is suggest that there is greater resistance here, and then it has formed lower lows. So even if it tries to recover, it has to break beyond 2680 in order to confirm a reversal. Stochastic dropping sharply. MACD is still bullish. RSI is staying flat. Coming to now look at daily charts. What has happened so far? The preceding candle comes with a very smaller body, suggests that it has got very good support on the downside, and that is why the upward push was seen here. Now forming lower lows, it has tried to continue on the downside. We have to ideally wait for it to break beyond 2680 levels in order to confirm the rise. But in fact, even if you see it above 2660, you can take a little risk and move towards 2680 levels. You should wait for. When you see the lower prices above 2660, you can take a buying entry. Wait for the prices to break beyond 2680, because beyond this it is going to be $27 levels, the first target, and beyond which we can in fact look forward to a stronger rise. Right now it is not suggesting of a rise here, but I will be expecting it to. Stochastic is rising. MACD is bearish here. RSI is also dropping. So ideal selling entry at 2635, and though ideal buying is at 2680, but you can take with a little risk at 2660 levels. You can buy here and expect it to continue on the upside. So take your positions accordingly. On the downside below 2635, it is 2620, 26, and then 2575 level. If it breaks $26 levels, it is going to be 2575 and 2550 levels. Below 2550 is where the bears will be taking over. Take your positions accordingly. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. Channel memberships are in YouTube to support the effort, and do not miss to watch the monthly review tomorrow, which is going to be critical, which is going to give you a thumbs up for the direction and the position you can take, and what to expect from gold and silver in the coming month. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you and a happy weekend.